What is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Since, Trump launched his recent token, and since we've had things like Pudgy Penguins, also the Pump Fund token, it seems that ICOs are becoming quite hot again. And we can see right here on, this website here, Decrypt, there is a massive mention of this new token. And I want to quickly just guide you through something that could be really, really big here. A project launching literally on Ripple. It says DeFi performance gap. What's holding DEXs back and who are solving it? So who's solving it? So firstly, decentralized exchanges, DEXs were meant to embody the promise of DeFi, open borderless peer-to-peer markets that couldn't be shut down. They account for 7.6% of the total global crypto trading volume, up from 3% in 2023. So, this is something crazy. And there is a case for a next generation sort of DEX model over here. And it says the case for a new DEX model. So this is something quite big. And it says here XRPL. So I found this token, of course, and it says XRPL offers a very different baseline. Trades finalized in 3 to 5 seconds, enabling near instant payment finality, and transaction fees are measured in fractions of a cent. So this is the project over here, guys. It's literally called DEX or DEXRP, DeXRP, DXP, I don't know how you want to say it, but DXP is the ticker symbol for this project here. And it says the first DEX built for Ripple's XRP ledger. DeXRP is a next-generation decentralized exchange powered by the open-source XRP ledger. They combine blazing fast transactions, ultra-low fees, and deep liquidity to deliver an institutional-grade trading experience for everyone, from crypto newcomers to pro traders. You see, right now, it is in an ICO phase, and so many investors are trying to find that next early sort of token to get in really early into a fundraising sort of ICO environment. You can see this 8,782 investors, 6 million raised, and the price is 0.12193. And if you hit buy right here, it's going to take you through to this particular stage, and it says listing price is 0.35. So that is absolutely huge. Should that be the genuine listing price right here, guys? You're looking at a 3x on paper. So stage 198, the current stage, and stage 200, that's crazy. 0.12315. So of course, 0.35 sounds amazing. If it lists there, that's fantastic. It might hold that price for a second. It might stay there for hours. It might even continue to go up. Nobody knows what will happen. So do bear in mind that, things like this can be risky. So never risk more than you can afford to lose. It's simple. It's not financial advice. But so far, the platform looks good. And it looks like they are about to go up in price as they break through another target milestone here of $6.076 million US dollars. Checking out the project again, DXRP. This thing's confusing me. It's playing on my mind. There's too many ways of saying it. It's looking good though. Like I say, a lot of coverage. They're on Forbes, which is pretty big as well. To get exposure on Forbes, usually they go through the project and really check it out as well and make sure it's a good thing. They've also got mentions on articles like Decrypt, publishers, and also publishers like Cointelegraph. You can see a big headline here. DXRP raised over 5 million in a viral pre-sale. Over 7,500 traders joined the ICO on XRP. So if you're an XRP bull, or if you're just generally dabbling in of these sort of ICOs, these sort of pre-sale environments, maybe, just maybe, this could be a solid pick right here. So as we scroll down on the website, you can see here it says no noise, just execution. The XRP strips away the clutter, leaving only pure performance. So features people love: instant settlements, low fees, dual trading modes, smart liquidity routing, and also advanced order types. This is a proper cool project right here. Who is it for? Well, retail traders, also professional traders. So you can do things like swapping. You're going to get gas back rewards at the same time too. And all of this being powered by the open source XRP ledger. Partnerships, integrations, you can already see just looking here. Some of the biggest transactions, some whales have bought over $20,000 worth. And that's absolutely insane. Partners as well. You've got BitHomp, Fireblocks, AWS, The Graph, a few other big ones too. And tokenomically speaking, there are 2 billion coins. And those full stops rather than commas are absolutely jarring my OCD. So they've got 2 billion coins here, marketing 12%, reserve 9%, R&D and Innovation Fund, 6%. You can also see airdrop and bounty programs, 3%. The public sale is getting 25%, as we can see right here. And then on the left-hand side, you can see the rest of the token allocations at the same time. As for the roadmap, we're sitting in Q3 2025. Around Q4 2025, we'll see the public launch and growth begin. Q1 of 2026 is the institutional expansion. And then Q2 of 2026 is ecosystem scaling, where they'll be adding cross-chain and sidechain support and a bunch of other cool things at the same time. So yeah, generally, it actually looks like a nice project. And it could be that next big 10x thing. So this is really, really nice to see as well. Gonna really hope that this one does very, very good. So new DEX on XRPL is ready to launch. DeXRP raised over $5 million. It says, the XRP ledger is entering a new era of growth with recent ecosystem updates and increased institutional support. With David Schwartz, XRPL CTO, recently reaffirming XRPL's readiness to power stablecoins, CBDCs, cross-border payments, and tokenized assets. This actually does look like a coin that could be pretty solid right here. And when we click this, it takes you through to this profile right here. And I guess that somewhat makes it, you know, doxed in some way. You know, should this actually be by this David Joel Kratz Schwartz guy or whatever? Never actually heard of him, I'll be honest. But looking through his posts, you know, it does look pretty good actually. And this guy, oh, there we go. Got my XRP belt on, wearing an XRP t-shirt, holding an XRP rewards credit card at XRpresso. So is this the dude that's running the project? Maybe I'm incorrect, or maybe it's just him putting a statement on the project. CTO. Okay, so we've got it, the CTO. That's actually really cool. So we know that is the dude right there. Wow. Yeah, I didn't know cryptocurrency had their own Hagrid, but now they do. So yeah, pretty cool. Actually, this guy does look kind of cool, and he definitely knows something, right? He knows his stuff. And here's obviously the XRPL CTO. So this is good that there's docs. There's a real face behind the project. Always good news. It's hard to find this. Well done, David. We like you. What else is there to talk about over here? Well, firstly, $6 million raise has passed. It says they're excited to announce that they've crossed another milestone in the DXP ICO. The team is making huge progress with partners like Cointelegraph, BitGet, Forbes, and more. So really, really solid. The DXP ICO could be an absolute gem here. No idea when it's going to launch exactly, but you know, personally, I'm looking forward to it. They've also got the staking pool live for the community right now. It says they're one step closer to unlocking the full utility of DXP on the XRP ledger. This was from August 31, so I imagine it is now full running, looking solid. You can click here and you can see DXRP.org. You can see here is the staking. So 14.5% on the APR, 54.7 million of these tokens have been staked at the same time, guys. So this is also very, very nice to see. It says every DXP holder can now earn up to XY percentage APR by staking in the pool. So that's really cool to see the staking incentive, which is truly a DeFi thing, right? In a nutshell. Overall, guys, this ICO looks pretty solid. I like that we've got this David guy speaking about the coin. But remember, even Donald Trump can get away with a 90% drop on the price. I'm not saying that this coin will not pump or will not perform well, because it being an XRP alternative or something that's going on the XRP narrative, this can make it a real solid play in the crypto market. So do your own research, do your due diligence wisely, check out this coin down below. And remember, this isn't financial advice. Whilst you're here though, ladies and gents, if you comment down below $50, I will give away $50 to someone at the end of the week on Saturday, the weekend coming. And I'll reply to one of you guys, you lovely, lovely people in the comments. Like the video though, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to have that chance of winning the $50. Do check out the project. We'll see you very soon. Thank you for viewing.